In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Safari location. If you're using Safari on an iPhone, it's important to know that Safari itself does not have a built-in setting where you can manually pick a different city or country. Instead, Safari gets your location from your iPhone's location services. So if Safari is showing the wrong place, the fix usually starts in your phone's settings. First, enable precise location for Safari. Open the Settings app, then go to Privacy and Security and tap Location Services. From there, find Safari websites. Make sure the access is set to while using the app, and then turn on Precise Location. This allows Safari to use a more accurate GPS-based location from your iPhone. If a website is showing the wrong place, this is often the first thing you should check. Next, you can reset a website's location permission. Go back into Settings, then open Apps, and tap Safari. Look for the location option. For the website you're having trouble with, you can change the permission to ask, allow, or deny, depending on what you need. This is useful if a website was previously denied access to your location, or if you want Safari to ask again the next time the site tries to detect where you are. If your real goal is not to change your phone's location, but simply to see search results for a different area, there's a separate option for that in Google. Open Google in Safari and run a search. Then scroll all the way to the bottom of the search results page and tap Settings. From there, you can adjust the search region or location preferences. Just keep in mind that this only changes the search results you see in Google. It does not change your actual iPhone location. Another option is using a VPN. A VPN can make websites see a different approximate location based on your IP address. That can be helpful if you want to appear to be browsing from another city or country. However, a VPN does not automatically change the GPS location reported by your iPhone. That difference matters because some websites use GPS, some use IP-based location, and some use both. So the best method depends on what you're trying to do. If Safari is showing the wrong location, check your location services and precise location settings. If you want different Google results, change your search region. And if you want websites to see a different approximate location, a VPN may help.